Today I'm at Bannockburn. The great man behind me, King Robert the Bruce. What this film is about is the general consensus that the English army outnumbered the Scots by 3 or 4 to 1. Professor Barrow has the Scots numbers at 6,500, allowing 500 for light cavalry. Did between 5 and 6,000 Scots really defeat an army over 20,000 strong? The Scots were required to defend a line approximately half a mile in length against between 2,000 and 3,000 heavy cavalry. That would mean only 5 lines of pikes to defend that half mile. Could that really be done? Were the odds 3 or 4 to 1? Did Bruce really conquer and decimate an English army 4 or 5 times his strength? If Robert the Bruce in reality was such a charismatic leader, and he had a full year to prepare for the battle, why could he only field between 5,000 and 6,000 men against the greatest English army ever to invade Scotland? If the population of Scotland was 400,000 people, as is thought, half of which are men, half of which would be fighting men of age, that's 100,000 males. Where were the rest of his army? Join me in my upcoming video as we explore where the Scots really outnumbered at the Battle of Bannockburn. If you like this video and be first in line to receive future videos, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for walking in the footsteps of Robert the Bruce.